The scale tool allows you to quickly scale a part within SOLIDWORKS. If you go into Insert, choose Features, and then choose the Scale tool, you can see there's very few settings. All you have to do is select out the body you want to scale. And you can choose to scale this about the centroid of the part, about the origin, or a coordinate system. And by default this will come in as uniform scaling. So if I want to simply double the size of the part, I can simply keep it uniform. If we do uncheck this box, we can choose how to scale it in all three of these directions. And as I stated earlier, this is done about the centroid, but if you change to a different coordinate system or origin, you can further control how you can scale and change this part.